Shut up! That's why I lost my temper, Mr. Chairman. Public Estates Authority is worlds apart from Phil Invest or whatever it is that he was mouthing. It implies that I was a member of the board of directors of a private company. I have never been so. Be careful with what you say to this committee.
I stand corrected.
You should be. Mr. Chairman, I most humbly request for this committee to consider this witness in contempt of court for deliberately misleading this committee and for particularly denigrating my integrity and my moral character.
You're a graduate of the Ateneo Law School and a registered lawyer. Why am I not impressed?
Ano ba ibang argumento maisip sa utak mo?
Gusto mo, kaya ayaw mo pakinggan. Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, di umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako kaya lang...
Granted! You're questioning my authority. I walk out of this meeting.
On the one hand, I might die, and then they could get rid of me. But on the other hand, I might survive, and then I will get rid of them.
Certainly will not countenance any senator insulting me just because my opinion happens to be different from his. There! Will you please stop smiling and looking at your cell phone? If you're not listening to my speech, please step out. Go! Yan. 30 libro ang sinulat ko. Yan, lahat na yan. Ininsulto ako ng aking mga kapwa senador. Mga imbitero. May asim pa rin si Tanda.